Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best milk frother. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Secura Automatic Electric Frother. As far as electric frothers go, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better-looking one than the Secura Automatic Electric Frother. Made entirely from stainless steel, the Secura is easy on the eyes and would look great on any kitchen counter. The Secura is able to froth both hot and cold milk effortlessly. If you're simply heating milk, then it has a capacity of 250 milliliters, but if you're frothing milk, then it can only hold half that, as frothing causes the milk to double in volume. Number 2. Powerlix Battery-Operated Handheld Milk Frother. If you're looking for a milk frother that feels great in your hand and does exactly what it says on the packet, the Powerlix battery-operated handheld milk frother should be your go-to. The Powerlix features a svelte, portable design that will make short, creamy work of any flat, bodiless milk. Constructed from stainless steel and featuring a motor capable of producing 19,000 revolutions per minute, the Powerlix is sturdy enough to not break, bend, rust or fail in any way. The motor is also pretty quiet, so you can froth milk early in the morning or late at night. Number 3. Aerolatte Hand Frother. Aerolatte is one of the most trusted coffee brands on the market, so it makes sense that when it comes to hand frothers they would deliver a great product too. The Aerolatte Hand Frother is a beautiful hand-held frother packing a tiny motor just strong enough to froth milk perfectly every time. This is a no-frills frother that does exactly what it claims. With a whisking head and shafted constructed from 18/8 stainless steel, you don't have to worry about wear and tear or rust, regardless of whether you're frothing hot or cold milk. Number 4. Nespresso Aeroccino Plus. If you don't have too much time in the mornings but would like to sneak in a quality cup of coffee before work, then the Nespresso Aeroccino Plus is the answer. While this isn't the most technical frother on the list, its ability to quickly heat and froth milk makes it ideal for making a cappuccino on the go. With a capacity of 250 milliliters, this isn't even the biggest frother on the list, but its ability to produce foam so creamy you might as well be drinking a cloud sets it head and shoulders above similar frothers. Number 5. Bonsen Kitchen Electric Milk Frother. If you're absolutely strapped for cash but you just can't live without a morning latte, then you might want to consider the Bonsen Kitchen Electric Milk Frother. It's the cheapest frother on this list by a mile, but that doesn't mean it's ineffective. Quite the contrary, with a solid construction and a wand and whisking head made from 18/8 stainless steel, the Bonsen can froth milk with the best of them. Operating the Bonsen is also exceedingly simple. One button turns it off and on, and that's all you need to worry about.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.